Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called At School, Kindness Starts With You. Hi, I'm Maddie, and it's my job to be kind. Being kind is the best way to stand out. When my mother makes me breakfast, I make sure to use my manners by saying please and thank you. This is what I would want someone to do for me. Being polite shows that you respect and value the other person. When I get on a school bus, I ask the bus driver how his day is because it always brings a smile to his face. This is what I would want someone to do for me. Simply asking someone how they feel shows that you care. When I see someone being left out of school, I invite them to come play with me and my friends. This is what I would want to do someone for me. Making friends is easy when you include everyone. When I see that a classmate at my school gets new glasses, I make sure to tell them how they look. This is what I would want someone to do for me. A compliment can go a long way in building someone's confidence. When I see someone fall down on the playground, I run over and ask them if they're okay and offer to help. This is what I would want someone to do for me. We fall down sometimes. It is important to lend a helping hand. When I see that my classmates are waiting to use the swing that I am on, I make sure to give them a turn too. This is what I would do for me. Everyone gets to play when we take turns. When I accidentally spill paint on my friend's drawing, I make sure to apologize and offer to help clean up. This is what I would want someone to do for me. Saying sorry shows that you're taking responsibility for your actions. Sorry, draw anything. When my dad picks me up from school, he always asks me about the ways that I showed kindness today. I always have a lot to tell him because being kind is my job. Always remember to treat others the way you would like to be treated. Weekly Kindness Challenge. Conversation starters to help find moments of kindness in your child's life. Say sorry, be polite, take turns, be a helping hand, include everyone. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!